Here's the Goodman heat pump starting up in heat mode. You know what, I'm not sure if you can see much. Alright, I'm back with the flashlight here. That was the 2008 Goodman 2-ton heat pump starting up in heating mode. Suction line is hot. Here's the main level unit. Got a Goodman recip. I'm not even sure this has a filter dryer. Or maybe it does. Yeah, it does. It's right there. Down at the bottom of the unit. Not sure if you can see it. Some water drippage down there. I'm not sure if that's from a defrost cycle or if that's from the ice that melted off the condenser coil there. There's the upstairs unit. Yeah, I just wanted to do a startup video of the Goodman heat pump, and a startup video as well, which will be coming later in the video, because it's been quite a while since I've done a full startup shutdown video of this unit, and it has been over a week since I've uploaded or recorded a video, as a matter of fact. Alright, it just shut off. Looks like it already met its set temperature. Hey, Winnie. What are you trying to do? For some reason, the camera shut off, and then when I was trying to get it recording again, the unit shut off, so missed the shutdown clip, but got the startup, which is usually most important, or more important than the shutdown. I believe these have Zhongshan Ocean fan motors. You can still feel heat coming out of the unit. You can hear Freon hissing around in there. Kitty, what are you trying to do? Meow, meow, meow. Oh, that's what you want. No, it's too dangerous under there. All right. Here's the trains. Jeez. Have to come sprinting behind me like that. Climate Tough Recip compressors, 2004 train XP10s. You really like going under houses, don't you? All right. See if the guest room unit's running. Ain't running, but let's take a quick look at it. Regardless of whether it's running or not, I will still videotape the heat pump here. This is also a 2008 2-ton Goodman 13 seer unit. This is a 13 seer 3-ton. This one has a Copeland scroll, which is not original to the unit. The compressor, the scroll was put in May 2018 after the original recip died. It was freezing up and crap, but that is a newer compressor. All right. So there you have it. 2008 Goodmans. Go inside.